Hey guys, it's Phil from Aussie Garage. Now, we brought the VU for You revival project to you with the help of all our friends and Desert Auto Effects and AJ's Mods and things like that. Now, this thing has now been sold. Now, it's about to go to its new owner. It's going to get picked up this morning and get taken away to the eastern states. Now, this is going to get restored back to how it originally was on the show circuit. Now, full specs and all of how it was driving at Summernats in 2024, that's how it's going to be going back to it. So stay tuned, we'll keep you updated, and we'll let you know when it's about to hit the circuit. We're going to be in contact with the new owners. But that's the end of this chapter, and now we're going to move on to the next one.